Luxor, tingnan mo nga, oh. Oh, pare-pareha sila. Pakita mo yung pa. Oh my, dito matayo pala yung ko sa inyo. What happened? Ha? Bakit ganyan? Nay, bigay mo yung kamay mo, tingnan ko nga. Oh my God. Hindi ako natatakot, pero bakit ganyan? Ay, tumatayo ang balahibo ko sa inyo. Itong maliit, ganyan din ba? Ha? Ay, hindi, buo. Baka kapatid to. Asa ng nanay mo? Malayo. Sabi mo kanina patay na, ano ba? Ah, nanay niyan, iba. Ang nanay nito, iba. Sinong patay na nanay? Nanay, ikaw nanay mo na sa bahay. Okay, kayo magkapatid. Oh my God. Kumain na kayo? Ah? Ay, dali. Kakain tayo sa Jollibee. Dali. Tara, pupunta tayo sa Jollibee, kakain tayo. Come on. Okay, nakatikim ng Jollibee? Kahit kailan? McDo. Di pa rin. Ay, grabe. Tara. Kakain tayo sa Jollibee, kasama kayo lahat. Oh my God. Tapos, wala kayong bigas, walang ganyan. Pero nagluluto kayo. Subukan mo. Ha? Okay lang naman medyo maano. Nahihirapan nga din ako. Oh, ano, kaya yan? Okay yan, ano? Pwede na yan. Na medyo malaki. Diba? Ha? Okay na po yan, ano? Okay na yan? Okay na yan? Sa'yo? Okay na sa'yo yan? Ay, nako. Wala na tayong magagawa. Nahanapan natin sila nung tsinelas na, kuya, yung sukat na yun, oh, yun, oh, yun, sukat na yun. Nasira na, eh, oh, ayun, oh, sira na yung tsinelas, eh. Anak, dito ka, anak, dito ka. Dito ka sa kay kuya para makita ka ni kuya. Sira na din kasi yan, eh. At uy, Panginoon ko, por Diyos. Lapit ka dito. Huwag mo intindihin yung bag mo, walang kukuha niyan. Lagay mo dyan, walang kukuha niyan. Oh. Eh, parang mas maano sa kanya to, oh. Ito ata mas maliit yan na parehas lang. Tanggalin mo na yan, be. Hindi, mas maliit ito. Pas kanya ata ito, mas yung green ang kanya. Subukan mo nga. Sige, suot. Yan. Wala tayong magagawa. Diba? Talagang kailangan lang makaapak yung ano, hindi magasgasan yung paa nyo. Kasi maliit ang ano nyo, eh. Tingnan mo naman yung tsinelas nila, oh. Oh, asan yung isa? Tinapon mo na. Oh, Panginoon ko.
Hello everyone, this is Sonia HK Amiga, and now after I buy the slipper, I bring them to the Jollibee because it's their first time to taste the Jollibee. So it's their first time, so I bring them so that they can also taste the Jollibee because they are not yet eating the dinner. So that time, I think it was about 7:30 in the evening when I saw them in the street. So they are asking for help. So that's why I said, okay, I interview them, I buy them the slipper. I'm running out of time because I don't like the store we're gonna close. So I bring them to the Jollibee and interview them. The name of this girl, the eldest, is Andrea, and the other one is Ariela. As you can see their hands, guys. Look at their hands. Same with the feet. No, there's a problem. So it's very hard for them to hold the food, and they are also, you know, studying. So I interview them. They are studying. No, the eldest sister is 10 years old. No, and I'm asking them how can they hold the pencil. No, I'm very worried, but I'm happy. No, they still go to school. So that's why they deserve this Jollibee. As you can see, I buy all, no, that the kids like. So they are very happy, as you can see their face. No, it's their first time. They don't know which one. No, they were gonna eat first. No, I saw in their eyes, I saw in their you know, in their face that they are very happy. No, they don't know which is the first they will eat, the hamburger, the French fries, or the rice. But I say, because it's dinner, you need to eat the rice, and you can bring, if you're not finished, you can bring the food to your home. So I assist them also because of their situation, their hands. It's hard to carry, no, the food. So I'm also worried how they eat. They're using spoon because, as you can see, I don't think that they can hold the spoon, so I assist them, everyone. Uh, Also the grandmother, same situation. The hand and the feet is almost same, but she has a sleeper. That's why I'm not buy them the sleeper. I'm not buy her the sleeper. So as you can see, only ice cream is not available when I buy. So I want them also to teach to eat the ice cream, but it's not available. I'm sorry because I muted all the voice because of it's very noisy in the Jollibee. As you can see, the baby, baby, I put her in the on the chair. So she is good, no? She is not crying, and she just is eating because his hand is complete. Her finger is complete because, as they say, this baby is not their sister. It's also only cousin because the mother of the baby is already dead. So they are the one who take care, no, the grandmother. So that's why her hand is complete because they are not sister. Okay, so I also the one who is feeding the baby. I'm the one who's feeding the baby so that the grandmother can eat, no, so that the grandmother can eat. As you can see, guys, no, they cannot hold the spoon. It was, heartbroken when I watching them how to use the spoon. It's very hard for them because of the hand situation, guys. That's why I'm the one who also assists, no, using the spoon, using the fork. So I take out the chicken meat, no, so that they get easily to eat. And also I'm feeding the baby. So I said to the grandmother, eat well, no, because she is the one who is carrying the baby. It's very hard, guys. When I saw their situation very late at night, already 7:30, I cannot turn back. So that's why even it's about to rain, I cannot let them see, their situation. So I cannot stand their situation. So that's why I say I will do my best to give them, what I can do. So I also help them, to feed, because it's very hard for them, how to take up the chicken, how to use the spoon and fork. So that's why I said, okay, I'm the one who gonna assist them. I will going to feed them and help them. You see, they can also do by themselves, but it's very, it's very long time. No, it took so long. How can they finish it? So I assist already. No, I assist already. So many people is looking at us. Many people is looking at us, but I don't care. What I'm doing is, I'm very happy to help them because as you can see their dress, their dress is they are dirty, guys, but that's why many people is looking at me, but I put them in the in the center. I don't care what the other people gonna say, so that's why I let them, but Filipino people is not Filipino people is good. They will not, they will, as you can see, they are very happy. They are very happy eating the Jollibee, because it's their first time. So that's why, you see, also the mouth of the younger sister. You see, the mouth is also have the problem. So that's why, very heartbroken. You see the situation of the grandmother, also the hand. Also there's a problem. Feet and hands, guys. But he is very good grandmother. She is carrying the baby, carrying the baby. Their situation is not easy, but they're striving, anything that they can do. So that's why, thank you so much, Kuya Luxor TV Vlog, for the Jollibee. you know. Maybe this Jollibee, that's why it's been a long time that I never do the project because I'm busy. Maybe this Jollibee is really for them, you know. I believe that the Jollibee that I kept, no, for the project is really for them. So that's why I really bring them. No, Kuya Luxor TV Vlog, as you can see, they are very happy. So I just would like to say thank you to Kuya Luxor TV Vlog for, untiring support to Heart of Sonia PH. And of course, to all our beloved sponsor, Mr. Ingwang, Uni Amise, Uni Sunshine, Upa Guitar. Thank you so much to every one of you. And, I'm very happy, no? Mami Aiden, Ate Cecil, all of my sponsor, I would like to say thank you, and all the super chatter, no? Thank you so much to all of you. I cannot, saying one by one, to, you know who you are, no? To all of my super chatter, to all of my sponsor, thank you so much, especially to Kuya Luxor for giving, Jollibee for many of our kababayan. Maraming salamat. As you can see in their face, they are very happy. They are very happy. First time, no, so that I let them to taste the French fries because they are very full. And I said, I'm going to pack the things, no, pack all the foods that they are not finished, so that they can also bring home, no, bring home to their family also, or they can also eat that late at night. So as you can see, they are saying here, thank you Kuya Luxor TV Vlog for, for the Jollibee. So they are very happy. They are very happy. They are not finished the food, but I'm going to give all.